Hey guys, so I just got back from a superhero event with the kids and I decided to do like superhero-y type makeup. So I figured it would be a good time for me to show you what I have on my eyes right now. I will insert a close-up picture of my eye makeup so you can see it right here. If you're interested in finding out more about these glitter liners, then just keep watching. Okay, so on my eyes today, I just have a little bit of the Lorac, like basics or neutral shadows, and then I have a brown eyeliner topped with this LASplash Wickedly Divine Smudge Proof Eyeliner. The box looks like this, and the packaging looks like this. So very similar to their Wickedly Divine liquid lipsticks, which I love. The Stepmother one, it was like a plum with a hint of shimmer to it. This is the Half Blood shade of liner, and I'm going to swatch them all for you, but let me read a little bit about the claims for you. It says, just wing it, life eyeliner, everything on the box. It says, add a pop to any look using our Wicked Eyes smudge-proof liner, stays in place until you say when, no feathering, cracks, or crumbles. Directions for use, apply liquid liner on clean, dry skin, begin in the inner corner of the eye, and lay flat along the lash line. Matte colors, metallic colors. So they have both, and I have all glitters in front of me. So let's start with swatches. Like I said, the one that I have on my eyes right now is Half Blood, this really fun red glitter. So here is the first. This is Half Blood, and this is just a bright red glitter in like a clear solution. So it doesn't have a base color to it. Next up, we have Dementor right here. And this one is one that they had mentioned on the box. This one is not a glitter. This is just a solid black liner. Next up, this one is like a super sparkly holographic. Christine from Simply Nailogical, you would like this. This is Aura. And this one looks like it is hollow glitter in a clear like gel, so to speak. Next up, we have a really fun like aqua tealy one. This one is called Me Person. I don't know what these are in reference to, so I might be butchering the names, but here we go. This one looks like it's like teal and kind of like a, I would say like an appley green glitter in an aqua colored gel. This is not a clear gel. So this one you can use on its own, whereas these two I feel like you need a base color underneath, otherwise it's not going to be an opaque color. And next we have Invoke. This one looks like black with holographic glitter in it. Very pretty. So here they are, and I will insert a close-up swatch so you guys can see these in action. So that's it. Those are the only colors that I have in my possession right now of the LASplash Wickedly Divine Smudge Proof liners. I think these are really nice. I do have a discount code for LASplash Cosmetics down below. As always, my discount codes are listed down below. Some of them are affiliate codes, some of them are just because I want to pass along discounts to you guys and I get nothing from it. So if you guys want a discount on these products, feel free to use it. If not, totally up to you. But I hope you guys enjoyed this swatch video. I hope you found it helpful. I have been loving this glitter liner. It's been on, I would say, close to 8 hours now. It hasn't gone anywhere. It hasn't flaked. The glitter has not moved. So I am very, very happy with it. And if you're curious to know what I have on my lips, it is the Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in 150 Brick Red and the L'Oreal Color Riche Shine Lipstick in 924 Enamel Red. I just thought it kind of went along with like the Superman colors. So Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.